Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I want to do today is to give you all a short and sweet, quick and simple review of Amazon.com 2021 revenues and cost of goods sold for the last 5 years. Alright, so with that said, let's take a peek at the organization. Amazon.com revenues for 2017, $177.8 billion, grew it to $469.8 billion. Average growth rate of 27.7%, which is very good for a multinational organization. Not only that, but the organization was able to grow the revenues at a double-digit pace for the last 4 years. Taking a look at the cost of goods sold, we're not going to be able to ascertain too much information just by looking at the numbers. 2017, $111 billion, grew it to $272 billion. But if we compare the average growth rate of cost of goods sold at 25.2% as compared to 27.7%, which is the average growth rate of revenues, this tells us that the company is continuing to increase their gross profit margin, with an excellent position for the organization.